Afternoon guys, hope you're all well. It's a lovely sunny day down here in Dorset, so we have been blessed with some awesome weather that feels like it's summer. In fact, actually, it's just the end of April, beginning of May 2025, if you're watching this, whenever you're watching this. So 2024 VW T6.1 has come down to us for genuine VW folding mirrors and also the super duper aftermarket headlights. Now these particular headlights have proven very popular. They've got the Audi style DRLs or daytime running lights, and the ability for you to plug in these little modules at the back for you to change how that works in terms of amber or clear indicators and also daytime running lights. If you've not seen it before, we've done a couple of dedicated videos on our YouTube channel for these headlights, but as you'll probably agree, beautiful looking van and finished off nicely now with a set of these really nice headlights, because unless you're going to spend a lot of money for the VW ones, the headlights from factory are naff. So this is it, job done. Now we'll have a quick jump inside, show you the folding wing mirrors and also the headlights working, and go from there. Right, so inside the vehicle, not much changes apart from the fact that we've got a new control knob on the driver's door panel, and that allows you to then fold the mirrors. So if I've got the ignition on as we speak, if I twist the knob down to fold the mirrors will now fold, and that's just a manual adjustment. If I turn it back down to the 0 position, the mirrors will then open up. Now you can also fold them whilst you're driving, but you have to be driving slower than 10 miles an hour for safety and comfort. And also when you press and lock the vehicle, you press the key fob and it will then lock the vehicle as well, and the mirrors will fold. That's if you've selected it in here. So you can go to menu on the factory head unit. On there, depending on what head unit you've got, you can then press vehicle and settings, mirrors and wipers, and there's a little tick box that says fold in when locking, so that's really convenient for that, because if you don't want it to lock or fold when you lock, then you just leave that unticked. So the mirrors are all genuine, and then once they're in and done with the new motors, that will do everything it should do as it should have done from factory specification. And then the headlights. So again, nothing has changed in terms of the wiring or the headlight switch. We've just simply removed the factory candles and we have put in the all LED T6.1 headlights. These are on our website. They are relatively new, I'd say in the last 6 months. and they've already been proven to be very, very popular because the light output is amazing, plus also they look pretty sexy too. So if you've got a vehicle and you're interested in any of these products or these two retrofits, then please do get in touch with us. Website link is in the bio, and while I'm talking, hopefully Sammy's showing you a few pictures of the headlights as well, being on in standby and everything else, and they do look fantastic. If you've got any questions, get in touch with us via the contact form, or watch any of our other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching.